They have finally done it. Poop India has finally done it. They have fixed the animations on Poop Launcher. And how did they fix it? Well, they just rebranded System Launcher or Miui Launcher as Poop Launcher. Oh my god, they are saying Poco Launcher has gotten an update, animations have been fixed. OMG, settings, apps, manage apps. Over here, let us go ahead and search for Poco Launcher. Version is 2.22. This is the current version which I have. Linked in the description of the video is the new APK. Let us go ahead and update this application and see what happens. So, holy moly, 4.36. Let me see. Oh my god, this is holy smokes. Whoa. Let us go into settings, apps, manage apps. Herein, let us search for Poco Launcher 4.36. You know what they've done? I know what these fools have done. They have rebranded the Mi Launcher as Poco Launcher. Let us go into settings, more, Poco Launcher, application drawer, suggestions, backgrounds, scroll, hide app icons, group icons by color. I think support for icon pack has disappeared. Google feed is still there. You can change the icon size in case you want to. Home screen layout, global icon animations. Sorry, I meant to say global icon animations. Just super duper excited over here. Double tap to sleep on the lock screen. Arrange icons in your recents horizontally or vertically. And we can go back to our settings, more option, home screen layout, show memory status, blur app previews, show suggestions. Yes, that is what they have done. They are trying to fool us, but this, my dear friends, is the Mi Launcher rebranded as Poop Launcher. I mean, I'm not gonna stop calling it Poop Launcher because Alvin comes on Twitter and like a new version will roll out. Here we rebranded Mi Launcher as Poop Launcher. Animations have been fixed, which eventually is a good thing, and I am pretty sure they could have done this ages ago. Just took them a bunch of years to do this. Let us see about the widget situation. So the widget situation is still the old one, but I am pretty sure you will find a workaround to get the new widgets working. We do have a separate video for that, linked in the description of the video in case you want to try it out. But this is good news for Poop Launcher fans that the Poop Launcher has been rebranded or replaced with Mi Launcher. Now, something which is missing over here is the icon animation of the rotating gear icon, or say with the gallery, you would see the sunset or sunrise, moon going around animation. That is still missing. Let us go ahead and reboot the device to see if the animations are still working or not. Okay, let me unlock the device. Okay, yes, this is the same animation which you get on MIUI launcher when you first boot into it. Applications are still loading. Yes, a total rebrand. Poco has proved itself to be the rebrand king by rebranding Mi Launcher as Poop Launcher. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.